Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super cute cat eye mask on Dress to Impress. So to do that, you're just going to get this, and I'm just going to obviously put it on the head setting. And then I'm going to just color this in. Then we're going to use this bow, and we're just going to color it the same color as our headband like this. If you want to remove that white area, just color that the same as well. And that is it. You can also, I guess, use this now, but it works, but you can also use this as well if you want to. But I like the other one because it's more cohesive with the headband. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!